we do here is go back.
Okay, I'm getting ready to see. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking about either finishing this one. Let's see. No, that's already finished. Let's see. Finish that one. So I still may touch that later. This one tore. I was trying to make a giant shoe from the 70s with a fish in it. I may just go ahead and just have fun with it and do something. I decided. This one I did it. I thought I did an extra, either turning that into something, because that's very basic. And I just don't do landscapes. Okay, I'll figure it out. Okay, I had to stop playing with my grown-up friends online because I kept messing up to get this done. So here it is so far. And I have to do it against the wall because my leg is propped up, so I keep knocking into the wall when I paint. But so far I've messed up with the yellow, and that's just part of the process. With me anyway. Okay, have a great day.
Don't wanna complicate ya.
we do here is go back. Here is go back.
Okay, I'm having lunch and I'm painting while eating, making some changes. Can you see that? out. So here it is now. And I feel like putting the camera back up, the iPad back up. So here I am, just gonna give you, let me turn the camera the other way. Hold on. Hold on. That's better. This is the, let me try to turn it this way. Okay, this is me painting. I don't know if it's gonna come out right, but anyway. I didn't feel like setting the camera back up after I started eating, so this is what the picture looks like now. I definitely need a better camera setup because I turn my paintings a lot if they're not on an easel. Okay, that's just a little bit, then I'll post the finish at the end. Bye. Okay, here it is completed, possibly completed. I don't know, it just depends on whatever with me. The paper is probably tired of me painting on it, I'll say that. And yes, I'm just showing you guys how I may look as a screensaver. Okay, bye.